Hello everyone, myself Dr. GVL Prasad, Assistant Professor in Automobile Engineering. So I am going to show you how engineering graphics can be done with the AutoCAD. Okay, right. First of all, I'll start with the ellipse. Okay, these are the different methods of ellipse. Okay, rectangular oblong method, parallelogram method, concentric circle method, arcs of circle method, and eccentricity or general method. First, I will show you how to draw rectangle method by ellipse by using a rectangle method or oblong method. Oh, this is the problem. So construct an ellipse by rectangle or oblong method given that major and minor axes are 160 mm and 100 mm respectively. Okay, right. So now I will go to AutoCAD window. Yes, this is the AutoCAD window. So first of all, you have to set the units. Okay, right. So for this command is UN. You type UN and default it will be in inches. So this will be converted into millimeters. Keep it is a millimeters. So then units are set to millimeters. Then I have to set the limits. Okay, LIMITS. For this command is a limits. Okay, type limits and then enter. So then it will ask a specifier lower left corner. Enter the lower left corner 0, 0. Okay, this is the lower left corner, and it will ask upper right corner. I will take upper right corner 594, 420. So this is the size of the sheet. I am going to set 594, 420 and enter. So this is set to limits. Then I will draw a border. So for this I will go to a rectangle command. From the draw toolbar you pick the rectangle command. So when you pick the rectangle command, you have to follow the instructions in the command line. Right. So what it is asking, specify a first corner point. Okay, so that corner point is 0, 0. Enter 0, type 0, 0 and enter. Okay, right. So next it is asking specify upper right corner. Upper right corner. So now use @ type @ 594, 420. Okay, 594, 420 and enter. So then it is already border is drawn, but if you are not able to see, use Z enter, E enter, zoom extends. So then the zoom extends will bring into the screen whatever you have drawn. So you use this command. Okay, Z enter, E enter, so that the border is set to set. Okay, then in a rectangle method, ellipse rectangle method, so the major axis is given 160 mm and minor axis is given 100 mm. Right? Just I will show you once. Right. So I have to draw a rectangle by using the 160 mm and 100 mm. So for this I'll take a line command. So I'll take a line command. So draw a line. So keep this ortho mode on so that you will get a straight lines. Ortho mode on. Okay. So 160 mm. So 160 mm. And so the rectangle. So this is 100 mm. 100 and enter, and then you move the cursor this side and 160 mm, 160, enter, and then either you can type again 100 or you can join the line. Okay, again 100. So enter. So the rectangle is drawn now. Okay, so then you have to draw major axis and minor axis. For this you have to take the line command again, and then pick the middle point. See, middle point symbol is, it will show the triangle symbol and as well as it will tell you the midpoint. So click here and then click here. This is the major axis I had drawn. Okay, so again I have to draw minor axis. Again go to line command. So again you take the midpoint here and then you draw like this, you draw. Okay, so my major axis and minor axis already drawn. So next I'll keep the text, major axis AB and minor axis CD. So for keeping the text, so I will go to a multi-text command. Here you can find the text option. So just click here, go to multi-line text. So multi-line text, just zoom it little bit, and then click here and click and drag, and then again click so that you will get a box to write the text. So type capital A and select this one, select, okay, select this one. Here the size is 0.2, it is very small, so make it a 5, type it 5 and then enter. So the text is drawn, just click anywhere, okay. So if it is not nearer, you can move, so this you can move here, so this can be moved close, okay. This is the way I can keep the text. So similarly, so I can keep other side also, but I'll go to copy command. I'll copy this one. Click here. Then it will ask select the objects. I selected, right click, and it will ask a base point. So just click on the base point anywhere. Okay, right? Then here, okay, this is, you keep here and you remove the ortho off and ortho off, so that you can flexibly move wherever you want. If it is ortho on, so that you cannot move flexibly. Okay, right. I'll keep all the corners and then I'll edit. Okay, here, here. Okay, okay, right. So what I can do is now I'll edit. I copied A, so here I will edit. So this is B, right? Okay. This is C, major axis and minor axis C, and D, this is D. And the rectangle or oblong be EFGH. So I will edit this as E, and this one EF. Okay, double click and edit EF. Okay, just double click on the A, so that you'll get a chance to edit EF. This is G. This is H, right? So this is the how I have done the notation: major axis AB, minor axis CD, and rectangle EFGH. Right. Next, the procedure is I have to divide. You can keep center as O also. Okay, you can keep this as a O. Okay, right. You can keep this as O. O. Okay, all right. So the procedure is, so I have to divide AO, semi-major axis, into some number of equal parts, and semi-major axis into certain number of equal parts. So let us say 4. Okay, let us say 4 parts I will divide, but I have to divide AO into 4 equal parts, but AO is not one segment, continuous. It is a continuous line AB. So that's why I will divide AB into 8 equal parts, so that AO become a 4. So for this I will go for the command divide. So divide. There is a command called divide. So as soon as you type divide and enter, it will ask select the object which you want to divide. So this is the object I want to divide. Just click here. Then how many number of segments you want, it will ask. You have to keep on reading the instructions from the command line, what it is saying. You have to follow according to that. So it is asking enter the number of segments. So number of segments are 8. Okay, enter 8, and then so it is already divided, but it is not showing the divisions. So for this, so you have to go for DDP type. DDP type. DDP type means define display point type. You have to type this one and enter, so that you will get the point style. So the default point style is a point, just a point dot. So you cannot see the dot on the line. So that's why I will take this. I'll prefer this. I'll prefer this. Keep it as a point size 5 mm. Otherwise, you can increase or decrease the point size. That is no issue. Based on whatever the point size you want, that point size you can keep here. And then you have a two options: set size relative to the screen, set size in absolute. Always take this one, set size in absolute units. Save. Okay. So look at this, I got a points, right? So similarly I will divide EF also same way. Divide. Okay, so I'll select this one and I will type 8. so that it will be divided into 8 equal parts. So now what is the procedure? So I have to give a numbering 1, 2, 3, something like this. Okay. So I will copy this one and again I will go for, I'll take ortho on so that it is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, right? So then I will edit this one 1, 2, 3, something like. I will edit this one. This is 1. So anyway, either you can give it from up to down, or you can give from like this. Anyway, numbering is okay. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. So similarly, you have to, if you start from here, you have to start from here. Then I will copy this one. A little bit downwards, I'll take it. If you ortho off, it will be flexible, otherwise it won't come. This is 1, 2 and 3 dash. So this one I will edit. This is 1 dash. Already I have given 1, so that I will give 1 dash. 1 dash. You can give apostrophe, no issue. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Okay, I have given like this. Right. So what is the next step? This is this I have done. What is the next step? Next step is I have to join C1, C2, C3, and from D1 dash, D2 dash, and D3 dash, and I have to extend. Okay. So for this I will take a different color. To draw these lines, I will take a different colors. Go to the properties. So okay. So in a bilayer, you can change the color. I will take a green color. Okay. So take a line command. Join C2 1 C1, right. Next repeat the line 2C. Carefully you have to pick the end point. You have to 3C. Okay, right. Next I have to continue from D onwards. Okay, so either you can use the same color or you can take the different color. Okay, you can take here. You can join up to 1 dash, and further I have to extend it from here. Right. Okay, so next I have to extend D1 dash till C1, D2 dash till C2, D3 dash till C3. So for this I have a command called extend. Okay, look at this, extend. In the modified toolbar you can find the extend command. Just click it, then it will ask, just click it, click on this, and then it will extend up to here. It will extend up to here. Again click here, one more click, so that it will, so you can click here, one more click, and then one more click, so that it will extend here. According to that you can do it. The next is you can keep a point over there. Wherever these lines are intersecting, type point, point. You can type a point and keep a point here. I'll wherever these are intersecting, I'll keep point here, and one more. The enter means it, previous command will repeat. I'm typing enter, and then okay. Right. So I got the point. So these points will be on the ellipse. So next, what is the next step? Next step is I have to repeat the same procedure for other 3 quarters also. So for this I have done. I have to repeat the same procedure for other 3 quarters also. But as the figure is symmetric, so I can go for a mirror command. Okay, I can go for mirror. I need not repeat the same procedure. If it is a symmetric, I can go for mirror, and I can mirror this point. I can complete the ellipse. So you can find the mirror. Okay, so there is a mirror command in the modify toolbar. You can find the mirror command. Just click here. Okay, select the points. What it is asking, select the objects which you want to mirror. So this is the point, and this one, and this one. Okay, and then right click. Then it is asking a specify a first mirror line. So I will give CO as a mirror line, so that it will come here. Okay, then it is asking array source object yes or no. No, source object should keep. Okay, right. So it will be done. So if you want to bottom side, you have to select the mirror line as a horizontal line. If you want to right side or left side, you have to select the vertical. Then go to again mirror command. So select all these 6 points now. 6 points. Okay, right. Right. So all selected and then right click. Now it is asking the mirror line. So now I will give AO as the mirror line. AO is the mirror line and enter, so that so you got the points. So now I have to complete the ellipse passing through this point. So I will go to now I will draw a ellipse line. I'll again go to the bilayer. I'll go to the standard line, white line. Okay, then I will take a spline. From the draw toolbar you can find out the spline command. You can take the spline command, and starting from A, the ellipse should pass through the endpoints of the major axis and minor axis and all these points. So start from A, and then carefully you select the points. You have to carefully select the point. No other. It will try to pick any nearby points. Don't pick that one. Carefully you select. C, I selected this point, and this point, and then B, here, 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 this one. And before going to select the endpoint, click close. So in the command line, it's showing close. Just click close so that you will get a smooth curve. So ellipse got it. So now my interest is ellipse. I want to highlight this one. So for this I'll select the ellipse, and again I'll go to the properties, and then by layer I can give the thickness, second one. So scroll it so that you can find it. So you can apply thickness, and then from the bottom side you can choose the line weight. If you apply a line weight, then only it will be highlighted. So click on the line weight and escape, so that it is done. So now I will show you how to keep the dimension. Already ellipse is drawn. I will show you how to keep the dimension is also important. So for dimensioning, I will take a different color. I will take a yellow. I will take this color. So go to dimension menu and take the linear. Okay, so linear. So here and endpoints. Okay, you keep like this. Okay, right. So now it is showing, but the dimension is not clearly seen. So I can increase the size of this dimension. For this, again go to dimension menu. You can find out the dimension style. So there is a dimension style option. Go to dimension style and go to modify, and symbols and arrows. Symbols and arrows. Arrow size is you give 5 mm. And go to text. Here you can find the text tab. So don't change anything, only text height. You can change the text height. Replace with 5. And you can find out the primary units. In the primary units, the precision is 0.00 something. You don't require that much precision. Just take 0.0. Then it is say OK. Okay, then say OK. And then just close it. So now it is appearing, so it is a little bit bigger. So like this you can take it for this one also, minor axis, this one. Okay, done. So like this you have to do, you can do it. Okay, right. I'll little bit zoom it for your seeing. Okay, so okay. So next I will explain another method, concentric circle method. Okay, right. If you have any doubts, type in the comment box so that I will respond. Thank you.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.